Somebody get high, not nice. Baby, overproof the tonic wine.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with another hair review video, and this video is sponsored by ISEE Hair. So they sent me this cute packaging, guys, for their block wig, and we'll be getting into what the block wig is in a minute, but let's go through what's inside this box. So first, in the first black box, I have the wig pieces. Now I did say wig pieces, and I will explain shortly, right? So I have the block R and the block B to the wig that we will be installing today. Yes, I know it's very interesting. Stay tuned. This is how the lace is looking. This is a skin melt wig, guys, one bag of niceness, and this is a block B, which is the base of the wig. So yeah, I also got a bonnet, I got an edge band, a lash, an additional elastic band, and guys, this is the cutest packaging I've ever seen for a wig cap. Yeah, and I also got an additional comb as well as a booklet to instruct you on how to put this wig together. So this is block R, which basically means it's removable. You can detach this from the rest of the wig and change it out if needs be. This is a 9x6 skin lace with no grid and knots to give a more natural look for your parting space, and no matter what wig cap color you're wearing, this lace gives the appearance of scalp at all times. Here we have block B, which is the base. This is how the construction of it is looking, and guys, it's important to note that the zipper on this wig is seamless. It's perfectly invisible. You won't be able to see it, and this is how you go ahead and attach both pieces, block R and block B, to create what you will install on your head. Now, as I said, block R can be replaced, and ISEE does sell the replacement. So if you want to change it out to a bang, if you want to change it out to layers, you can with purchasing another block R from ISEE here. So this is the unit ready for us to install, and we're going to get right into it. I'm super excited to show you guys the finished outcome of this unit because it is a very unique, very creative. Shout out to ISEE.
No intro, cause I saw she a go on. Yo, hey you girl in the tight up skirt, you make me swell till me blood vessel burst. Hey you girl in the tight up shorts, you speed up 10 more beats to me heart. Hey you girl in the tight up blouse, every time you pass me you get me aroused. Hey you girl in the jeans, look on that girl. See what me mean? When me go cactus, me can't enjoy myself, me unconscious. Me hide them a pulp out, come in a stop rush. Girl, you comfort, man, no stop rush. Hey, hey, so why that have to print out? Me have to hide it in a me car wet tint out. Jeez, all the wine there, make the whole of Main Street crew go crazy. God damn, you act like the sun and can't done. Every man see you well, want to have fun. Well, to all you look sweet, it's hard for me do it, but me have to give me girlfriend. But hey, oh no, oh no. Hey, hey, you girl in the tight up skirt, you make me head swell till my blood vessel burst. Hey, you girl in the tight up short, you speed up 10 more beats to me heart. Hey, you girl in the tight up blouse, every time you pass me you get me aroused. Hey, you girl in the jeans, look on that girl. See what me mean? Oh no, I'm mad me in your latest mascara dress, tight up on your chest, have your body a grab way in your mini skirt and a saucy shirt. Man brains are hurt, and girlfriend trust me. Anytime you pass in your CK class.
this is the finished look. Remember when I said that zipper is perfectly invisible and seamless? Yeah, very flat to wear without any uncomfortable feeling, and it is just giving, honey. Let's get into the melt on this wig. Oh my god, it is gorgeous, and as you guys can see, it is giving scalp. No matter where you part it, it's gonna give scalp, no matter your wig cap color you're wearing, because I wasn't wearing any wig cap, and you cannot tell me that I wasn't wearing a wig cap or that this is not my scalp. It is absolutely revolutionary, so you guys need to go and cop this wig. And remember that you can replace the top of the wig if you do not want it, because it is a replaceable top. Okay, so as usual, all the information will be down below in my description box. Check for a discount code, guys. Remember, Black Friday is coming up. Go ahead and copy your units and make use of the deals that are there for you. Until next time, bye.